National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Cimarron County, northwestern Dallam County, until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles south of Wheelers, or 19 miles northeast of Clayton, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Felt and Wheelers. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Dallam, Texas.